Hello friends, welcome back to the Encrypt technology. So in today's video, I am going to introduce you with TradingView website. TradingView website is basically a website where you can track all the trades of in cryptocurrency market and stocks market, and also about different particular markets like oils and gold and silver prices and everything in different currencies, and also about the fiat currencies. Okay, but we will talk about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency actually, and I will introduce how what is this website in this website, and how we can use it, and what are the features that we can use for free actually. In this video, I will talk about the free version of TradingView. So first we will click on BTC USDT. This was the home page actually when you start using tradingview.com. This was the whole page that it shows at in the beginning, and then you select what chart you want to see. I clicked on BTC USD, and here is the chart. Current price 18,903. This is the general chart. This is the overview, general view that we get when we start using it. And now I will start telling you different features of it and different details about it. And later on, we will go in deep. This will not consist of only a single video, but I will have to create 2 or 3 or 4 videos to introduce you to the basic and free version of TradingView. First of all, we get a chart here. Starting from this corner, I will start introducing things from this side. This is your login detail actually, where you've logged in, and you can switch to dark mode and light mode from here. And you can draw different things. Drawing panel is available. Language, you can select your language here. Keyboard shortcuts, and desktop app is also available, but I haven't got that. And next to that is the pair that you are watching and you are observing or you are looking at. Here you can see it's written BTC USD, means price of Bitcoin as compared to USD, which is shown right on the screen. But you can do different things if you want to look at this in Tether US, stablecoin USDT or USDC, or if you don't want to see BTC, you can enter any other cryptocurrency that is available. I am writing Ethereum, or you can see the pairs, or I write BNB. You can see here we get some pairs, and even we can also write USDT, so we can get BNB to USDT pair and everything, and it's in all category. Then we can separate stocks, future trades, forex trading, cryptocurrency, bonds, and economy, and everything. We can see whatever we want. Okay, so if we go for stocks, we can look after for Apple stocks, stocks for Apple company and etc. So here you can select any of the thing that you want to get knowledge about. Okay, here you can add symbols, but we don't need that. That is used in stock generally. And here comes the day time frames, starting from 1 second, or actually this is available in pro mode only, but starting from 1 second you can see up to 1 month chart. Currently I have opened 1 day chart. Let's go for 1 week. This is the weekly chart. You can condense it from here upside down, and you can condense it from here, from the middle, by rotating your mouse, scrolling your mouse. You can enlarge and shorten the chart size. Okay, so here are different time frames. For long term investment, we look at 1 day or 1 week time frame, and for shorter periods we sometimes look at 1 hour, 15 minutes, and 4 hour time frame, etc. Okay, and then comes the chart. This actually called the candlestick chart. Okay, look at this. These looks like candles, right? Body, head, and tail, etc. So these are called candles, but there are different ways to look at a chart. Currently I'm at candles, but we can switch at bars. It will just show bars. When we look at bars, the line heading this side, let me use this line, a line heading this side like this, along with the main chart line as this. So this line will show you where the table was started. Let me move it up a little upward. For example, a candle started at this point, so this will look like this, and the other side will show us where it closed. Okay, you can see in all the bars we have one head this word and one on the other side. So the one on left side will show where the candle started, and the one on right side will show where the candle closed. Okay, so bars and hollow candles, these are similar to candles but are hollow in green type. Then comes columns, lines, area. These are not used basically. Heikin Ashi is used. Heikin Ashi is also a candle pattern similar to candles, but it have different calculations. I will create another video on Heikin Ashi. It makes us easy to understand the trend of the market. Okay, and then these are others which are not generally used, especially in the crypto market. Maybe some other ways are there to use them. Okay, so here you can see the chart, but it's now Heikin Ashi, but I will switch it to simple candles because these are easy to understand. In today's video we will cover this bar actually from here to here, all this line, and then later lectures we will start using this line, and then more and more and more. Here comes the indicators. These are technical indicators, financial indicators, and community strips, strategical indicators, volume profile, etc. Like for example, we have the commonly used RSI, relative strength index. When you click on this, you will get it here. Here it shows, but the colors are, we can change the colors too. So here comes to setting, switch the yellow color to a bit darker so we can see it, and we can also increase the line size. So here is the RSI, you can see this is RSI line, and we can also add different indicators from here, whatever we want. But in free version only 3 indicators are available at once. At once we can only use 3 indicators: MACD, convergence and divergence chart. I'm just showing them how to open and how to use them here, but later we will be updating you about how to use these indicators and how they analyze the market. Okay, the next thing, here was the technical indicators. These are alerts. You can put alerts on different price actions, like if the price goes here, you can inform me by email. If the price goes up, whatever you set, you can set them. Okay, and here you can save your indicator templates, and on the other side, this is the place where you can save your current status. Whatever you're doing, you can save it right here by clicking on this cloud like this, and whenever you will open it next time, it will start from right here. Okay, there are more settings like symbol, when we talk about color scheme, status bar, scales, appearance, dark appearance, light appearance, transparent, whatever, trading, events, etc. We can set them from here. We can go for a full screen chart by clicking here, and then coming back by clicking this point. Okay, and close it, close this one. Here's the candlestick chart, and then click on ESC button, exit button, and we will come back here. More things are here to explain, but we will end up right here from this portion. We will be back with another video explaining more about it and help you understand it more specifically. This was basic intro and how to start the first lecture, and we will be right back with another video about TradingView. Goodbye.